Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on Harmony One. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a long down channel, Harmony One was just entering a very long-term resistance on, and this was my last video, by the way, that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it has completely entered inside this resistance zone after breaking out this long-term down channel. And this resistance zone, by the way, starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. Previously, this level had been working as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here. And before that, it had been working as a very nice support zone when we had this big drop in the month of May 2022. You can see we had a nice bounce, but finally we broke down this support. And after that, it was flipped into a resistance zone. And before that, it had been working as a resistance zone here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I was also showing you a bearish divergence that was on this 7 days time frame chart as stochastic was not able to form another higher than previous high, but I was telling you that there is a high probability that soon it may form another higher than previous high, and then that bearish divergence will be removed from the chart. Previously, price line was forming higher low, higher high. At the same time, stochastic was not able to do so, and it was not able to form another higher than previous high. Right now, you can see that now it has successfully formed another higher than previous high. Therefore, this very big bearish divergence is also removed from the chart. However, this stochastic is also about to give us a bear cross, like this blue line is crossing down. That is a bit bearish signal from this overbought zone. However, if we take a look at the MACD, then you can see that MACD has recently again turned very strong bullish. You can see that previously it was turning bearish from strong bullish to weak bullish, and now it is again turned very strong bullish. And we were about to receive a bear cross between these two moving averages, the blue line and the orange line. And now this blue line is moved up once again, and it is again turned very strong bullish. Therefore, I'm expecting that we can ignore this signal, and soon the stochastic will be also moved up. This blue line will be also moved up in this stochastic oscillator as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you this huge breakout that has happened on the same 7 days time frame chart from this very, very big resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see previously it was very strong bearish cloud, and now it is quite squeezed. It was quite squeezed here. And here, recently, it is flipped into a bullish cloud. You can see that it is turned from red to green color. That is a very nice and long-term bullish signal as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Uniswap, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 19th of Feb, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show us how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Here you can see it read the sell target zone. And after that, we had another very massive pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Harmony 1. And you can see that previously it was moving inside this very, very huge falling wedge pattern. We broke it out here in the month of January 2023, but when it was moving inside this previous wedge, we found the support and resistance of this next down channel even at that time. And we also formed a very, very huge double bottom pattern as well. You can see when it was moving down, we formed this first bottom here. This was the second bottom. And after the formation of this double bottom, it has also broken out this resistance of the down channel as well. And when we were forming the second bottom, even in those days, I've been telling you that after the formation of this second bottom, soon we may expect a very massive reversal and it may break out the resistance of this channel. Now, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 283%, and we have broken out at two very strong and major resistance levels. One was the resistance of this down channel, and the next one was this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now this cloud can work as a very long-term support for the price line. And right now, it is also breaking out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 2.6 cents and goes to 3.5 cents. Now we need to keep an eye on the next resistance of 3.5 cents because after breaking out this resistance zone, we can expect another very massive rally because this is a very, very strong and key resistance zone for the price line that has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, almost as a resistance on here as well, and here as a resistance, here as a support, and before that, here as a resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from this uh, down channel was here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 3.5 cents, and we are about to hit that target. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.